Hi everyone. Today we will talk about where is statistics used. Statistics is used in a wide range of fields and industries, including 1. Business. Statistics is used in market research, forecasting, quality control, and decision-making related to pricing, inventory management, and risk management. 2. Science. Statistics is used to analyze and interpret data in fields such as biology, chemistry, physics, and environmental science. 3. Medicine. Statistics is used to analyze clinical trial data, track disease outbreaks, evaluate treatment effectiveness, and assess risk factors. 4. Economics. Statistics is used to analyze economic data, forecast trends, and evaluate the effectiveness of policies. 5. Engineering. Statistics is used in fields such as civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering to analyze and model complex systems and processes. 6. Social sciences. Statistics is used to study human behavior and social phenomena, such as in psychology, sociology, and political science. 7. Sports. Statistics is used to evaluate player performance, predict outcomes of games, and develop strategies for teams. Overall, statistics plays a vital role in helping decision-makers make informed decisions and solve problems in various fields. Happy learning!